Montgomery County, Alabama. Moments ago, the owner of this Mustang convertible was a witness to an accident. But while he was giving a statement to police, this man took off in his car, in full view of both the owner and the officer. Now in control of the dream car he's always wanted, the car thief decides to see what it can handle. He takes the automobile for an unauthorized test drive through the thick of commuter traffic. By now, this car thief has the Montgomery County Sheriff and Alabama State Police close on his tail. But he doesn't seem to care as he pushes the pursuit to speeds in excess of 100 miles per hour. Going this fast, a pit attempt could cause a rollover, a certain death sentence for anyone in a convertible. As if he were trying to do the dirty deed himself, the suspect zips through a tiny opening between two cars. But after repeatedly testing Lady Luck, misfortune finally catches up to the fugitive. As he tries to pass through yet another tight squeeze, he loses control and slingshots across the center divide. Police can only hope that the car thief kept the car from going belly up. By the time the pursuing officer makes a U-turn to survey the scene, state and county officers have the suspect and his stolen ride in custody. This guy tried to sneak in a day in the sun with his favorite automobile. And when he finally got what he wanted, he nearly killed himself trying to keep it. But in the end, this crook's grand theft auto took him out of the driver's seat of his dream car and into the back seat of a patrol car.